The moon is rusting, and this phenomenon is likely due to Earth's influence. While the moon is over 230,000 miles away, it still has an intriguing connection to our planet. The moon's gravitational pull affects Earth's oceans, creating tides as Earth rotates. The water on Earth forms bulges on both sides, and as the planet spins, to high and to low tides occur daily. The moon's slight wobble also alters the tides, but Earth's atmosphere is impacting the moon too. It's responsible for the moon's unexpected rust. Rust, the reddish substance seen on old gates or nails, forms when iron reacts with oxygen and water. Interestingly, Mars's red color comes from iron oxide or rust as well, although the moon might not seem like a place where rust could form due to its lack of atmosphere and water. A spacecraft that studied the moon in 2008 detected signs of rust. It found iron oxide, or hematite, at the moon's poles, something scientists didn't expect given the moon's harsh conditions. This rusting process likely happens because water exists on the moon's surface, even if it's in the form of ice or in hidden areas. The solar wind, which constantly bombards the moon, carries hydrogen, which normally hinders oxidation. However, Earth's magnetotail, an extension of our magnetic field, interacts with the moon, especially on its near side. This magnetotail blocks solar wind during certain phases of the moon, allowing conditions for rust to form. Additionally, dust particles that hit the moon release free water molecules from the surface, which could contribute to the oxidation process, creating more rust. Earth's atmosphere also plays a role in providing the oxygen necessary for rust. The oxygen from our atmosphere reaches the moon through Earth's magnetotail, which shields the moon from the solar wind. Humans have also made an impact on the moon since the first probe landed in 1959. Our missions have left behind landers, flags, lunar soil, scientific equipment, and even some waste. In the future, there are plans to establish infrastructure on the moon, which could further alter its environment, highlighting the need for responsible space exploration. The moon is not a stranger to observation during the day. Many people wonder why they can see it during daylight. The moon is always visible, but its appearance changes depending on the phase. It appears brighter at night because there is no competing sunlight, but during the new moon phase, it's harder to see due to its proximity to the sun. The phases of the moon are easy to identify. A black moon refers to either to new moons in 1 month or no new moon in February. A blue moon occurs when there are 4 full moons in one season, and it's the 3rd full moon in that season. A supermoon happens when the moon is closest to Earth in its elliptical orbit, making it appear larger than usual. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon may appear red, as Earth's atmosphere scatters red light, casting a reddish hue on the moon, an event popularly known as a blood moon. Understanding these lunar phenomena highlights the fascinating relationship between the moon and Earth, reminding us of our planet's influence on the moon and our responsibility to preserve its environment. Subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.